I don't say much, but I hear everything that I said. It don't go over my head. Success is the best revenge, no stress, I still ain't missed. We could've.
Yeah, success is the best revenge. Shit, that's facts, man. Yeah, man, for real, that's why we're gonna keep grinding, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna keep grinding and make these haters mad, you know what I'm saying?
Got round there, put it on social media and ruined his cred. Could've grabbed that bad, put two in his head, but I let God do it instead. They done man wrong, where are they now? Nowhere to be seen. Where they at? The power's strong, where am I now? I've been in the charts for 18 weeks. My bro stay knocking man out, make man tap out, but I stay on his team like a beep. Bro, I know it's long time no see, but I'm here whenever you need.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a 5 against me thing. Suck on a mama.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back with a hit and a smashing out. You know? Yeah, man, people, what's good? People, it's boy Jambisco. I'm back with another banger. People, before we get in the video, I just take this time to go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. It helps get my videos out there, help my videos get recommended, and help the channel grow. You know what I'm saying? So I'll go ahead and take a moment to hit that like and subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Yeah, man, guys. Today I'm back with another banger, and this one is from Central C. Yeah, man. This one entitled Khabib. Central C seems to be a very known, well-known UK rapper. So we're gonna check him out and see exactly what's going on today. Okay. Yeah, man. I've been requested to do songs from him before. I haven't did a song from him. I did Ruby for him months ago, and for some reason it seems that I didn't post it. So I'm gonna definitely check back in my files to find those and then upload it. But yeah, today we're checking out Central C. The song entitled Khabib, and then we're gonna see exactly what's going on. So yeah, we're not hold up a vibe much longer. Hit that like and subscribe button, guys. Let's get it.
I don't say much, but I hear everything that I said. It don't go over my head. Success is the best revenge, no stress, I still ain't missed. We could've.
Yeah, success is the best revenge. Shit, that's facts, man. Yeah, man, for real, that's why we're gonna keep grinding, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna keep grinding and make these haters mad, you know what I'm saying?
Got round there, put it on social media and ruined his cred. Could've grabbed that bad, put two in his head, but I let God do it instead. They done man wrong, where are they now? Nowhere to be seen. Where they at? The power's strong, where am I now? I've been in the charts for 18 weeks. My bro stay knocking man out, make man tap out, but I stay on his team like a beep. Bro, I know it's long time no see, but I'm here whenever you need. Sat in a band or watching Snap weren't good for my mental health. The things that I see on a
hold on, what's going on? Let's get
daily basis be on a daily melt. For real, why the hell would I dwell on?
Central C Khabib.
I don't say much, but I hear everything that I said.
Why does that sound like also like Middle Eastern? Is it like Middle Eastern, European, let me know what's going on.
Don't go over my head. Success is the best revenge, no stress, I still ain't missed. We could've got round there, put it on social media and ruined his cred. Could've grabbed that bad, put two in his head, but I let God do it instead. They done man wrong.
You could have said you could have do what? Grab and put two in the head, but the what?
Could've grabbed that bad, put two in his head, but I let God do it instead. They done man.
What's a habdad? Habad? Is that a gun? Is that a gun?
Wrong, where are they now? Nowhere to be seen. Where they at? The power's strong, where am I now? I've been in the charts for 18 weeks. My bro stay knocking man out, make man tap out, but I stay on his team like a beep. Bro, I know it's long time.
Oh, Khabib, the UFC fighter. Oh, okay. So he is Middle Eastern. Alright, it's Khabib. Is Khabib Middle Eastern? Khabib. Yeah, I think Khabib is Middle Eastern. Yeah, man, that's crazy. Okay, so that's what he's referencing to. Okay.
I'm no see, but I'm here whenever you need. Sat in a band or watching Snap weren't good for my mental health. The things that I see on a daily basis be on a daily melt. For real, why the hell would I dwell on the past when I make profit off the pain I felt? How the fuck these guys gonna date these girls when they can't even pay for themselves? How? Few of these
That's kind of facts though. That's kind of facts though.
Females left me on red back then, but I look now, I bet they regret it. They used to ask what I do for a living, I said that I work in a chemist. I had no money, I weren't embarrassed, I'm doing up road in my Toyota Yaris. C-Squad late tryna cut through traffic, rule number one, don't panic. I know they hate that they can't ignore me.
Rule number one, don't panic.
I'm all over London town. It's funny to think that I went OT when I was 16 for £100. I get gal easy, you know.
It's funny, I went OT when I was 16 for £100. Nigga went on tour when I was 16.
LYM, don't run them down. I couldn't care less what they say on the blogs as long as my mumsy proud. I keep on telling the young bulls grind on quick, cause it's all about timing. Bros on the ped with a
Keep telling young bulls grind, don't quit. It's all about timing.
brick on him and he's trying to blend in, so he's wearing a high vis. Always trying to get the party done, that's how I got nicked that wireless. Alright, I told little bro when I stepped out of souls, it's calm, one day I'll headline. They done man wrong, where are they now? Nowhere to be seen. Where they at? The power's strong, where am I now? I've been in the charts for
They done man wrong, where they know? Nowhere to be seen.
18 weeks. My bro stay knocking man out, make man tap out, but I stay on his team like a beep. Bro, I know it's long time no see, but I'm here whenever you need. Put my life on the line to
Hell, my man's keep knocking man's out, but he stay on his feet like Khabib, the UFC fighter. Man said, yo, I know it's been a long time, man, but I'm still here.
see, bro, elevate. Sometimes I feel like I'm way too generous. Step on the gas one time, accelerate. I need the same time piece as Federers. First flight that I took was an easy jet, now it's TXP, I'm on Emirates. Live your movie, I say it with emphasis, but the flow too effortless. I'm wary, gotta stay on my pivot. Stay on it, reminding myself it's business. Gotta stay on my feelings. Still gotta wear out my
Myself, it's business, gotta stay out my feeling. Come on.
options. I met a lot of these rappers, and we ain't got nothing in common. Tryna ship out the bud from Cali, everyone got bud from Holland. The weed that I dropped my tape Wild West, I painted my city orange. I see a lot of videos look like mine, I don't even mind, just pay me homage. Stuck in the trenches, skin go
I see a lot of facts. A lot of people ain't started this till they see me doing it. Facts. I see a lot of videos looking like mine. I don't mind, just pay me homage. Come on.
Oh, I've been in LA, now my skin look olive. I told little bro, gotta stay in school. My bad example, I didn't go college. I listen a lot, but I don't speak much. I kept it brief, she think that I'm shy. She's down for the cause, I told her I'm done. She said she want more, I bring in my guy. I was dead broke, I had no hope. I sat and I thought about ending my life. I was down bad and they asked how I am. I got out like a man and I said I'm alright. I got on my...
Ooh, come on. I was down, but come on. Pull that up.
Beat much, I kept it brief, she think that I'm shy. She's down for the cause, I told her I'm done. She said she want more, I bring in my guy. I was dead broke, I had no hope. I sat and I thought about ending my life.
I was dead broke, I had no hope. I sat down and thought about ending my life. Come on.
I was down bad and they asked how I am. I got out like a man and I said I'm alright.
I was down bad. When they ask how I am, I act like a man and say I'm alright. Come on.
On my grind, didn't make excuses. Stayed in the trap, got hot, got humid. The hood just full up of drug consumers, so we abuse it. If I don't do it, then someone gon' do it. Trusted a man and he done me like Judas. They're opportunists, no opportunity. Trusting the government, but they're all clueless. They done man wrong, where are they now? Nowhere to be seen. Where they at? The power's strong, where am I now? I've been in the charts for 18 weeks. My bro stay knocking man out, make man tap out, but I stay on his team like a beep. Bro, I know it's long time no see, but I'm here whenever you need.
So I wanna say Alhamdulillah, God give me everything. Alhamdulillah, I know you got this, don't like this. Alhamdulillah.
What do you mean? Say, God give me everything, man. Yo.
Alhamdulillah.
Yo, that's dope. Yeah, man, real dope track, real lit track from Central C. I really like that one, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Definitely go ahead, drop your comments. Let me see the emojis. Let me know if that was late or lame. And definitely, if you like the track, go show heart to some love. Make me know that Jambisco sent you. You already know. Yeah, man. And then definitely like, comment, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it, guys. Yeah, man. Really dope track from Central C. Definitely like the lyrics, the beat, go crazy. Visuals is always dope as usual. You already know. Yeah, man. Real dope track from Central C, man. It's a vibe. I was wondering what Khabib mean, but he's talking about Khabib, the UFC fighter. My bad. Yeah, man. Real dope track from Central C. Yeah, man, guys. Till next time, guys. Let me know what you want me to react to next. Hit me up on IG and in the comment section. Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.